Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Guys, we've got a new truck on the fleet. A very brand new truck. It's electric. I'll just show you around. If you're new onto this channel, please kindly subscribe, share and like my videos. Hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. Guys, let me show you around this nice beauty electric truck. Right guys, there you go. This is a Volvo electric FM. As you can see, it's a 23 plate, brand new. It's being charged. It's charging it. Just one of its own on the fleet, and got all that electric demonstrator is charging. All the batteries are in there. That's the charger. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Volvo. These are all the batteries on this side. It's got this side and the other side. Wow. Look at it. Zero emission. Might be getting more of these. I'm not sure, but the boss maybe is planning. Volvo might be giving us more of them. Guys, please do subscribe, share and like my contents. Leave a comment down below saying that I have subscribed, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. This is a new baby on the block now.